So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to make end of your clip to be past transition. If you want to add transition at the end of your clip to be faster, let me show you step by step how to do that. First up, after you open the CapCut, now select the clip. After you select the clip, go to animation. After you go to animation, go to out. After you go to out, now select the transition you want to use. So for this video, let's say I want to use this one. After I select this one, so now here is transition. It will take it to down like this one.
The American Express.
So let me show you how it looks.
This car.
So here is
The
the end of
American
the video.
Express
So if I want to change the duration, I will now just click on the clip and then go to this option. So if you look at this option here, it says duration. So now the duration is set to 0.5 seconds. So now I'll change it to 0. Let's say 2 seconds. So now the transition will be passed. So now if you play the video like this, as you can see.
This car. The American Express.
And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.